Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful eclair cake. This no-bake dessert is surprisingly easy and perfect for any occasion. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, which are readily available at any grocery store. We'll start by preparing the rich, creamy filling that gives this cake its signature taste. Then, we'll move on to creating the luscious chocolate topping. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this simple yet elegant treat. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need for this fantastic eclair cake. You'll want 2 small boxes of instant vanilla pudding mix, about 3.4 ounces each. For the creamy filling, combine the pudding mix with 3 cups of cold milk and 1/8 ounce container of whipped topping. Whisk it until smooth and slightly thickened. Don't forget 1 box of graham crackers to form the base and middle layers of your cake. This simple combination creates a truly irresistible dessert. Now for the fun part, assembling your eclair cake. Start by lining the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with a single layer of graham crackers. Next, spread half of your delicious, creamy pudding mixture evenly over the cracker layer. Add another layer of graham crackers, then the remaining pudding, and finish with a final cracker layer. For the topping, combine cocoa, sugar, milk, butter, and vanilla. Cook until thickened, then pour this warm chocolate glaze over the top. This creates a beautiful, rich finish. Once your eclair cake is fully assembled, the hardest part is waiting. Cover the pan and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling time allows the graham crackers to soften and absorb the delicious flavors, transforming them into a cake-like texture. When it's ready, slice and serve this incredible no-bake dessert. It's perfect for parties, potlucks, or just a sweet treat at home. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.